Starting off at the Blue Run of Dunnellon. It's a little nature walk, pretty easy from what I have heard. KP hole to the right with Lakuchi River to the left. Part of the Rainbow River right down this boardwalk. But let's go and check out the trail. There's a pond, small lake or a pond that circles, that you will circle as you take this trail. And it looks like it's going to be to the left the entire time you're walking. Looks pretty easy. Let's go check it out. Blue Run of Dunnellon Park. Dogs are allowed if you're wondering about that. There's a little sign right here. Let's see what it says. Wild grape. Okay. There's a wild grape tree right there. Some info on it. More than 50 different species. Wow. Okay. That's interesting. Someone walking their dog. Looks like it's paved. Nice little easy walk. Surrounded by nature. Very swampy. Here's some information right here. Railroad Junction, the Dunnellon Trail. Looks like a railroad used to come through here. Okay. Here's a water oak. This large tree is found in sandy soils of swamps and bottomlands. Okay. Right there. There's so many types of oak trees. Another tree sign to the left right here. Looks like a cedar. Let's see what the sign says. Yep, red cedar. The eastern red cedar is actually a juniper and not a true cedar. Okay. Some information right there. Looks like there's a little trail right here going to the pond. Let's check it out. Wow, this is nice. Very swampy. Wow, this pond is dark. Perfect hiding spot for gators. You have to be careful. This is where they like to ambush. That's nice. Okay, let's keep going. Sugarberry or hackberry is common in hammocks and along the banks of streams. Yep. Rainbow River just on the other side right there. Oh, there's the tree, by the way. Nice. Looks like I'm going to be reading some tree signs here. They're all over the place. Wax myrtle. Evergreen shrub. Common and widespread in the southeast. Check that out. Wax myrtle. beautyberry. The clusters of small purple berry-like fruits that give the plant its name are eaten by many birds: mockingbirds, robins, catbirds, thrashers. Check it out. The beautyberry. Very nice. Southern magnolia. Traditional symbol of the South. Yep, it's a magnolia. And that's the swamp right there. Oh, here's the birds of the Rainbow River. That's a lot of different bird species right here. Wow. Oh my, look at this. Eats alligators, this bird. Are you kidding me? Wow. That's amazing. This little stream right here. Okay, walking up to a fork or a left and a right turn right here. Left, right, what's the sign say? Withlacoochee River Bridge, 0.6 this way. All right, let's go see what's going on this way. Temperature is about 35 degrees Fahrenheit right now in Florida, November 11th, 2025. And this is like fall Florida fall foliage right here. Check this out. Wow, look at this vine on this pine tree right here. I don't know if the camera can do it any justice, but that is one thick vine going up that tree. Just found this tiny little skinny trail off the beaten path here, and there's a pond over here, and it's so still. The whole top part of the pond is just green. You can't even see the water. Wow. Let's throw something in here, see what happens. Here's a rock. It might be a little too zoomed in. Okay, let's see what happens here. Just gonna fill right back in. Like magic. Wow. Check that out. It's closing up. And just like that, nature fixes it. And here's some info. Boomtown. Some Interesting info about this area. All right, let's keep going. Look at all these cypress knees. It's weird. It kind of looks like there was water here. You can see a few feet up on all of the cypress trees where there used to be water. I wonder why it just dried out like that. That's strange. Yeah, there was definitely water here. Okay, it doesn't look like there's much more going on when you turn left at the fork. I don't see any signs. A little less swampy. But if you just keep going this way, you head back out to the parking lot. It's a nice little loop. Okay, almost back to the main parking lot. American alligators, obviously. We all know this about Florida. Let's see if we see any right here. Well, just because you don't see any doesn't mean that they're not here. Basically, all of the blue run of Dunnellon, I'll just show you the boardwalk right here that goes up to the river. It's really beautiful out here. I can already see the bottom. It's so crystal clear. There's a bridge right up here to the right. That's the Rainbow River Bridge. Yeah, check this out. Okay, that is going to do it for this vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this urban nature walk out here in Dunnellon, Florida. There's a lot of exploring to do. So tune back in. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you all. All right, catch me in the next one.